my name is Otillia Hoops, and today I will be sharing some tips with you on performing. I'll be shooting a video with my friend right here in San Francisco, Clarion Ali. So, because I'm doing a performance, I decided why not make a quick video on some performance tips. What a better time to talk about my favorite acronym called SAS. It stands for Smile, At the Audience, or if someone's filming you, at the camera. Keep your moves simple, even if it's choreographed. This is not the time to experiment that new cool move that you're trying. And make sure to sell it. First off, have the details set before. Have your date when it's going to happen, pick out your outfit, and make sure that you give yourself plenty of time to do your makeup or get yourself ready and drive to the location. Number 2, use my acronym. So that is very simple. It's smiling. Okay, because no one wants to look at someone who's looking down or looking away. When you smile at the audience, it invites them in. It makes them a part of whatever you're doing, and then they enjoy it so much more. So at the audience can also be at a video. And make sure that the tricks that you do is at the right angles. So if you're doing an isolation from the side to the video, people are not going to see, or the audience is not going to see, you definitely make sure that you're facing forward. Keep it simple, as in, don't try that new thing that, you've just been trying out. If you keep it simple, you're not going to drop the hoop. Number 2 is selling it. That means slowing down your tricks, right? They don't know what you're doing. They don't know what's good and what's not. So if you're going to do a lot of fast tricks, you're just going to make yourself tired and you won't go as long as you can. But when you sell it, as in you take some breaks and you smile and you look at the camera and you maybe blow a kiss or wink or something, just pause, kind of take a breath, or use something very simple like isolations to kind of take a breath. Now I'm going to take you behind the scenes. Well, first of all, please figure out, don't get run over by cars like this one. Or this one. Show your confidence by laughing off any mistakes and rolling with the punches, for instance, strangers walking by. This clip is a great example of smiling and making eye contact with my audience. In this case, it's my videographer. I even turn my isolations towards the camera to make sure that it's captured correctly and shows off the illusion. Hey, I got music.
Hello.
Great, so we have the SAS thing down. I'm looking at my videographer, my illusions are looking correctly, but I think the most important part here is having fun, even when things go awry. Just laugh it off and enjoy the day. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to perform if you're performing for the first time. I hope that you enjoyed my tips using the SAS when you are looking at the audience or a video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I can also be found on Instagram and Facebook as Otillia Hoops. I also have a Patreon, so you can support the arts, and you can also find my website at otilliahoops.com. Thank you so much for joining and watching, and happy hooping!